class. I hope everyone has their homework. Whitebird, where's your homework?
I forgot it at home.
You forgot your homework again. You are tricked.
Yes, you failed like Whitebird.
That's it. Go to My Little Pony Friendship is Magic class.
Okay class, we will be taking a field trip to the museum. Whitebird, why did you bring your homework when we are going on a field trip? Go to Phineas and Ferb class.
Class, we will be taking a test. And means absolutely no bathroom breaks. Whitebird, where do you think you're going?
I was going to the bathroom.
Are you lied? It says no bathroom breaks at all. You're way dumb to the end of my class. Go to SpongeBob SquarePants class.
Okay guys, we will be learning about fractions.
I hate math. Math is for losers.
Who said that?
It was Whitebird.
Whitebird, how dare you say that to me? Go to Franklin class now.
It's lunchtime. Where's your lunch?
I don't have one because I'm in Angry Bird /THF /Mario /Sonic class.
Go to Little Bear class.
Why did I get sent all the way back to Nip Junior Face School?
Who wants some fruit?
Haha. Well, I'm hungry. And that looks really good.
He ate all the apples, bananas, oranges, and pears.
Whitebird, you know we have to share. I am calling NBC and PBS.
Whitebird, I heard you got sent back to my junior face school, then got kicked out of my junior face school.
PBS, what happened?
I changed it.
You're grounded for 50 months. Get your swit upstairs now. I freaking hate you guys.
Okay, Tommy and Timmy,